Protect your phone screen with our premium tempered glass full screen protectors. Follow these simple steps for a flawless installation. Step 1. Use the included screen wipe to thoroughly clean your phone's screen. Take the dry cleaning cloth to gently dry the surface and ensure it's completely clean. Step 2. Use the provided dust remover sticker to pick up any remaining particles. Step 3. Carefully peel the film from the back of the tempered glass. Align the glass protector with your own screen and let the adhesive spread naturally across the screen. Step 4. Smooth out any remaining air bubbles using your fingers. This tempered glass not only provides a crystal clear protection, but also a seamless finish. With great scratch resistance, view the true depths of your screen for longer. Enjoy maximum clarity, protection, and functionality for your phone.